show you how I made the turbo manifold flange for my Kubota lawnmower engine. What I used was this ProtoTrack right here. I bought this machine from a place in Salem. I think I paid like $22,000 for it. So it's got this SMX ProtoTrack controller. This machine is super easy. I spent like 8 hours on it trying to navigate through it, try to understand how it worked. After about 8 hours, I got pretty comfortable. Then you just build up on your skill the more you use it from that point, once you've had the basics. Here's the flange. I got this flange at Tractor Supply. It's 3/8 steel. It was just a flat bar. Ian made this manifold. I don't know where he got all these materials. He just recently capped it off. Ian never went to welding school or anything like that, so his welds probably aren't the best. They seem to look okay. I'm not too impressed with the welds on the actual manifold pipes. This V-band flange right here is to connect to a V-band flange turbine housing for a ball bearing turbo. I think he's going to do like a GT28R or something of that nature, maybe like a 3071 at largest. It's a manifold flange. The way this machine works is I can indicate on the holes. So what I did to build this was I took the original manifold around the center of this hole, and then I zeroed that out at the center of that hole. Then I found the center of each hole. So I just had to find the locations of the centers of each of the holes. Once I had that, I drew it out on paper. So I put my manifold on there first to get all the locations. Then once I had the locations, I machined my first hole and knew that was 0, and then I just used all of my coordinates to figure out where all the other holes went. To cut the hole size, I can cut the hole size any size that I want. I just tell it what size tool I have and what size I want the hole to be, and it asks me that in radius. So I just take the diameter and divide it by 2. It's off, but it's actually not off. That's just because Ian painted the gasket on there. All these holes are in the true positions based on what I measured off the original manifold. The last thing that I'm going to do with this, I'm going to machine just enough so I could fit little pipes inside of it. Once the pipes are all sticking out of all those, then we'll weld it to this. The pipes on the inside a little bit, it's going to give it more support. It'll be much more stronger and durable that way and less likely to crack. It won't put a lot of stress on these welds, especially with all the heat. I have a good collection of videos on the channel. If you go to the channel and go to my video sections, I have sections of videos that are on different topics. I'm going to start a new section just on this lawnmower, and I have some sections on Cummins turbos and precision turbos. The purpose of that is that so the videos are organized so people that are interested in a specific topic can find all the videos that has information that they would be interested in finding. Stay tuned for the lawnmower turbo project. We should get this manifold done tomorrow. And I guess hopefully Ian's going to build a turbo soon for it. And we'll be dropping this in soon. I also have a lot of other content for customers' builds that I'm going to be finishing up as well.